everyone, my name is Olivia. We have a beautiful story to share with you. Happy listening! In a small village in Nigeria, there lived a wise old tortoise named Obi. One day, the animals in the village were faced with a terrible drought, and the only source of water was a well deep in the forest. Obi had an idea to save the village from thirst. He suggested that each animal take turns going to the well and bringing back water to share with others.
The selfless animals agreed with Obi's plans, and every day one would journey to the well and return with water for all. However, one day a greedy monkey decided to sneak off to the well and add the water for himself. The other animals soon realized what was happening and confronted the monkey, who was ashamed of his selfishness.
The animals forgave the monkey. But they reminded him of the importance of sharing and working together for the common good. From then on, the animals took turn in fetching water, ensuring that all animals will have water during the drought.
The moral lesson of the story is that cooperation and sharing are essential for the well-being of a community. Greed and selfishness only lead to trouble, but when people work together and support each other, everyone benefits in the end. Thank you. Bye.